Hello everyone, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. This is Rajni. Without wasting any time, let us start our episode with this lovely contrast combination of bright orange and purple shade. It has got rich golden zari borders, medium sized border on the bottom part and small border comes in the top part, and polka dots comes on the body. With the rich grand pallu, this saree is priced 18,900. Next one is another contrast combination, this time in pastel shade of green, in dark violet borders, equal sized borders on either sides of the saree, and alternate silver as well as golden zari booties comes in the body. This saree is also priced 18,900. Next is a very attractive and most demanded color combination of blue and bright red. Here is the saree picture. Tissue Kanjivaram saree with floral silver zari woven on the body and golden zari comes in the borders. Price of this saree is 18,900. Next comes another unique color combination in pastels. Metallic green shade with grey in the borders. Very big white border comes in the bottom part and small border comes in the top part. Full saree comes with silver zari weaving. Here is the open picture. The price of the saree is 14,800. Here is the reference picture of the next beautiful traditional Kanjivaram saree in mustard yellow and bottle green combination. The whole saree has got small golden zari booties on the body and traditional borders in horse motif comes on either sides of the saree. Big sized borders, equal size. Here is the open picture with a rich grand pallu. Price of the saree is 18,900 and folded part is the blouse piece. Next is another rare combination of bright chilli red with sky blue in the borders. Rich golden zari work on the body as well as the borders. Here is the open picture. See the grandeur of the pallu. Price of it is 18,900. Next comes yellow and purple combination. Very big white borders. Here is the open view. It has got a very big pallu too. The price of the saree is 19,990. Next is a designer piece. Multicolor pastel shades floral design comes on the body with the silver zari big border in the bottom part and small border on the top part. Very unique and extremely elegant saree. Here is the pallu in the golden zari. Price of the saree is 19,990. That's the blouse piece. Next one is again the attractive color combination of blue and bright red in another design pattern this time. Birds and creepers on the body. Tissue Kanjivaram with golden zari in the borders. Medium borders, priced 17,900. Next is a very bright color combination in violet with selvage in blue on either sides of the saree above the border. Here is the open view with the necklace design comes in the body, priced 14,800 with contrast blouse piece in sky blue. Another blue and red combination tissue Kanjivaram in a different design pattern. This is very elegant for especially wedding collection. Very royal and grand. Priced 17,900. Another tissue Kanjivaram in metallic shades. Silver zari all over the saree with butterflies and florals on the body. This is the open view. Price of this saree is 17,900. Here is the blouse piece. Next one is single color Kanjivaram, dark purple with rich golden zari weaving all through the body as well as the borders. Here is the open picture. Price of this saree is 13,500. Next comes Royal Golden Kanjivaram. The silver zari woven on tissue. This is the open view. The very grand pallu. Very subtle and elegant. Priced 17,900. Next one is a contrast combination of blue colors. Light blue in the body and dark navy blue comes in the borders and pallu. Different design pattern in the border along with the motifs of ornaments. Silver zari booties on the body. Priced 18,900. This is the blouse piece in dark blue. Next one is another multicolor pastel Kanjivaram, unique design geometric pattern woven all over the body. Very big wide border comes in the bottom part. This is a unique masterpiece, just came into the market. This is certainly a celebrity piece. This is the open view with golden zari in the pallu, priced 22,500. Next is golden tissue Kanjivaram with the reference picture here. Beautiful bridal saree with very big chakra motifs woven in silver zari. Both sides small borders. Take a look of the open picture here. And the price of the saree is 13,700. Next comes a pastel light green shade tissue Kanjivaram in silver zari with lovely contrast pink borders. This is the open view of the grandeur pallu in pink. Priced 17,900. Next few more we have in tissue Kanjivarams. This one with the beautiful floral designs in pink shade. Golden tissue Kanjivaram. Price of this saree is 13,700. Another design we have in this pink golden tissue. Very attractive floral designs with intricate weaving. Priced 13,700. Next comes another multicolor florals tissue Kanjivaram in silver zari. It has got yellow borders, pastel shade, yet very beautiful and elegant. This is the open view. Price of this saree is 19,990. We also have another color in the same design pattern. Here you go with the pink borders this time. Equal sized medium borders on either sides of the saree. Very grand and classy. The multicolor florals stands out in this beautiful saree. Next comes another lovely contrast combination of pista green and tomato red. Silver zari column motifs comes on the body of the saree with the traditional weaving pattern in the borders of medium sized on either sides of the saree. This is the pallu. Price of it is 13,500. Next one is another bridal saree with big wide 18-inch border. Silver and golden zari weaving booties minute sized on the body with contrast blouse piece in green. Price of the saree is 13,500. Here comes another lovely combination in light pink and dark pink in the borders with purple in the selvage It is the piping kinds on the either sides of the saree. This is the reference picture. Rich golden zari woven all through the saree with big wide border in the bottom part. Priced 16,900. Here is the peacock green, attractive color. Rich golden zari woven all over the body. Same color all through the saree, peacock green, which comes in contrast blouse piece in bright red that stands out really well with selvage too on either sides of the saree in red. Here comes the last saree in today's episode, very unique metallic shade. You would have never seen this color combination in Kanchivaram saree. Beautiful florals and butterflies woven on the body, and here is the blouse piece. This saree is priced 17,900. In order to book your favorite saree, please do send us the screenshot of it along with the price to WhatsApp number 7010830303. My sister Bharati will assist you in placing the order. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.